Jai Sri Krishna. In the third Valli of Katha Upanishad, the Yama had explained the theory of Atman and the hierarchy of reality. Now, in fourth Valli of Katha Upanishad, it starts by asserting the inner knowledge is that of unity, eternal calmness, and spiritual oneness, while the external knowledge is that of plurality, perishable, and running around the sensory object. The Katha Upanishad in 15 verse of a fourth Valli as well as the fifth Valli explain what is Atman, how it can be known, the nature of Atman, why it ought to be known. For definition, it deploys an epistemic combination of positive assertion or positive mind as well as exposition by elimination. So the latter is repeated with किमत्र परिशिष्यते एतत् तत्. It means what is left here truly is that Atman. It is mentioned in Katha Upanishad 2.4.3. So Atman assert in Katha Upanishad is subjected to self-knowledge, the pure of a spiritual reality that which is all-pervading inside every being, which unifying all human beings as well as the culture, concealed, eternal, immortal, pure bliss. So Atma is concealed, eternal, immortal, and pure bliss. It exists when the active when exist and active when man is awake state. It exists and active when man is dream state. So here it is mentioned, if a man is active or awake, and when a man is seeing dream, then the Atman in that condition you can realize that the Atman is active. The empirical reality is the honey of the Atman. Okay, that anxiousness is the honey of the Atman. With the honey metaphors repeating fruit of numerous karma flowers in valley of life. Doctrine found in other Upanishads. This is also found in other Upanishads, that in the second valley of Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, to know Atman, look inward and introspect. To know object, look outward and examine. It is stated in Katha Upanishad. Everyone that change is not Atman. That which is not and never be changed, that is called Atman. It is also mentioned in Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 that Atman never be changed. It will just changing the body. It is only changing the body from one body to another body according to your karma. So self is the lord of past. So Atma is the lord of past, the lord of now, and the lord of future. Self is eternal, never born, never die, part of that which exists before universe was formed from bodily heat. Sun rests in it, God rests in it, all nature rests in it. It is everywhere. So Atman is everywhere, it is in everything. To understand the eternal nature of oneself is to feel calmness, inner peace, patience, and freedom regardless of the circumstances one is in. So to experiencing the self or to experiencing the Atman, the person need to be calmness, inner peace, patience, freedom of regardless the circumstances, whatever the situation will be there. The person should be in samadhi state or in a monk or sannyasi state. Then only you will find the Atman or self. That is called self-realization. Then anyone who runs after sensory impressions get lost among them, just like water flew randomly after rain flow on mountain. states in verse 2.4.14 and 2.4.15 in Katha Upanishad. And those who know their self and act according to the dharma or according to the scripture, they are remains pure like water remains pure when poured into pure water. So there are no plurality or no separateness between the essence or Atman of I and other. So there is no difference between my Atma and other Atma. Their Atma is always one, and that is Paramatma. Between the essence of nature and spirit, assert in Katha Upanishad in verse 2.4.10 to 2.4.11, the self-driven individual ignores the superficial individuality of other and accept their essential identity. So here it means people are thinking person are different from one to another, but they are not they are not realizing that in everyone had one self is there, that is called Paramatma in the form of God. Okay, it is due to their ignorance. So the position, so here in this fourth Valli of Katha Upanishad, it is totally explaining about the knowledge of Atman, how one can be one, how one can be eternal, feel the eternal calmness and spiritual oneness. If you feel that one, then you will feel like you will be in your highest perfection of renunciation, or you will get the self realization. Jai Jagannath, Jai Sri Krishna.